Perhaps the most obvious way to monetize a blog is to sell a product or service that your customers can buy directly from you.
This is one of the best ways to make money from a blog, as you keep the profits. I'm Emily, this is Darlene, and we're going to share some ideas to get those creative juices flowing.
If you don't currently sell a product or service, now's the time to think about developing one. A good product can be a classic, tangible thing like apparel, or something digital like an ebook.
Digital products are a great solution because there is little to no overhead and no shipping costs, so you can keep the price low and inviting.
If you have a business, then the product or service part is already taken care of. You can write about your own products or services, or share how they're used, and link back to your own online store.
So how do you promote your own products or services? The primary purpose of selling a product is to bring value to a customer. So think of your blog as another way to deliver value by sharing practical tips.
For example, if you have a plumbing business, you can write a blog post about common household remedies for unclogging drains. And at the end of the post, you can mention that if the problem is more severe, the reader can call you to take care of the situation.
Another thing you can do is write a blog post highlighting your favorite products. This shows your confidence in your products by turning the spotlight on them.
Let's say you're a wedding planner. You not only plan weddings, but you sell wedding items through your online store. You can write a blog post that talks about your favorite products and how they can help make a wedding more memorable.
The information is useful for customers, but it also makes each product seem more exclusive when it's been presented in the blog.
Don't forget to add internal links to your blog posts. Links to product pages give customers examples of what your products might be useful for. And because it's your website, you can link to as many of them as you want.
This is a great way to sell a specific product without getting too pitchy or spammy. You show a user how to use the product in context and then provide a helpful link where they can make a purchase.
Selling your own products and services directly on your blog is a great way to increase your income.
As your blog grows and you start to see a wide audience, your products and services will sell themselves. I'm Emily, this is Darlene. See you next time.